Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, we are from group 2. We will describe about descriptive text. Our group, our member on this group was first Sofia Rahayu Pangestuti, and next Safrina Kalisa Intan, Anindya Mira Lugito, Vivien Maharani Astuti, Rinawati Dewi, and the last one is Putri Andini.
So the first, I will uh, definition of this. What is definition of descriptive text? Definition of descriptive text usually focus on describing on single location, object, event, person, or place. It endeavors to all five of the reader's sense to evoke the sights, sounds, smells, taste, and feel of the text subjects. The purpose of descriptive text is to describe person, thing or place in specific, and to describe a particular person, thing, or place. Next.
Okay, next is generic structure of descriptive text. First, identification. Contents about the introduction of a person, place, animal, or object will be described. Second, description. Contents a description of something such as animal, things, place, or person by describing its features, forms, colors, or anything related to what the writer described. Next.
Okay, this is an example of descriptive text, which is about the Borobudur Temple. In the first paragraph is the identification of the text because it contains a general explanation and location of the Borobudur Temple. And in the second paragraph is a description text because it contains a detailed explanation or detail about the Borobudur Temple, such as the origin of the manufacture, part of the Borobudur Temple, and the contents of the Borobudur Temple. Next.
Okay, the next is what is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay is one which is used in order to describe something. This essay can describe anything from a person or place to an item or idea. The idea of the descriptive essay is to give the author a chance to hone their writing skill by way of description. On top of this, the descriptive essay is a great chance for the author to use their creative skills. The more vivid the description, the more the reader can picture clearly what is being talked about. This means that the writer should employ all their skill to paint an image for the audience.
Okay, now is how to write a good descriptive essay. First thing first, you have to choose a topic. Any essay requires an engineering topic, and the descriptive essay is no exception to this rule. When choosing a topic, you should choose something which you have an interest in. This will make you more passionate about your writing. Second, you need create a thesis statement. A thesis statement is used to lay out the purpose of the essay and should be referred back to at varying points throughout your writing. It should be included in the introduction so that your readers are clear on what the essay is about. And then you need to speak to the sentence. When planning your essay, it is important to remember that a descriptive essay should appeal to the senses. When describing your subject, you should include how it looks, smell, how things taste, and what can be heard and how something feels. It is important to out these senses in your essay outline, as using this will create a much clearer picture of the reader. And the last one is create your essay outline. An essay outline is used to order your ideas and make notes of anything that is to be included in the work. Every essay should be written with the assistance of an essay outline, and it should look something like introduction, body first paragraph, and conclusion. Next.
Well, here I will identification example of a descriptive essay about the uniqueness of the Empire State Building. In the first part there is a outer clear. Then the first paragraph is an introduction text because it contains an introduction to the topic to be raised. Name the consequence of the Empire building. Then in the second paragraph, which is the body, in the content section, it writes the core or detail of the topics, discuss and support topic in paragraph 1. Then, in the last paragraph, is conclusion. In this paragraph contains well. Here I will identification an example of a descriptive essay about the unique question of the Empire State Building. In the first part there is the outer clear name. Then the first paragraph is an introduction text because it contains an introduction to the topic to be reached, namely the uniqueness of the Empire State Building. Then in the second paragraph, which is the body section. In the content section, it writes the core of detail of the topic, discuss and support the topic in paragraph 1. Then, in the last paragraph, is conclusion. In this paragraph contains a summary or conclusion to an essay that discusses the uniqueness of the Empire State Building.
Okay, thanks for your attention, guys. Please apologize us for our mistakes. Thanks for your attention. Mas I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.